About this bonus question, the question 1 and the question 2 is just about the operation of the integration. First, about the question 1, you can use the 极化和差to convert the fx times gx to the sum of two trigonometric function. And then you can use the property of the sine function or the cosine function. For example, the cosine function is an even function, so the sum equals to 0. And to prove this equation. And about question 2, just the same as question 1, and you can use the property of the sine function to prove the norms of each of the function in the set equals to this value. And then we come to question 3. The function space actually is just the Fourier series, and in this function space, we can use the definition of the linear transformation to prove the differentiation as a kind of linear transformation. However, it's not invertible because when the value of m equals to 0, then there must exist a constant number whose value equals to 1, because cosine 0 equals to 1. But the differentiation of a constant number equals to 0, so it's not a one-to-one bijective function. However, it's a many-to-one function, so it's not invertible. Since it's not invertible, it must have a null space. The null space means for any x, the differentiation of the null space must equal to 0. So the null space must be a constant number. In this function set, when the m equals to 0, there must be a constant number 1, and cosine 1 and cosine 0 equals to 1. So the null space is the function nx equals to cosine 0 equals to 1. And